What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best mini PCs in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. We'll kick things off with the Apple Mac Mini M1, the best Apple mini PC available on the market in 2022. The company's new M1 chip delivers unprecedented performance improvements for the Mac Mini, and at the same time offers an affordable price. One area where Apple has used shortcuts to reduce costs is port selection. For starters, the new Mac Mini only has 2 Thunderbolt 3 USB-C slots, compared to 4 on the Intel version. In addition, it supports a maximum of 2 external screens. Also, you'll find several USB-A ports, an HDMI port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. For most customers, these changes will not be a problem. On the plus side, the M1 Mac Mini's wireless connectivity is of the highest quality, thanks to the latest Wi-Fi 6 technology. Bluetooth performance is also flawless, and you can work with 3 Bluetooth devices at the same time. Most of the updates for the new Mac Mini are on the inside. The cornerstone of this update is Apple's new M1 chip. For starters, the M1 processor features an octa-core CPU, with 4 performance cores and 4 configured for efficiency. It's paired with an octa-core integrated GPU, and unlike the MacBook Air, the Mac Mini can run at all 8 cores if needed. There is also a 16-core neural engine dedicated to machine learning tasks. It comes with 8GB of RAM and a 256GB SSD, which is a solid configuration for this type of device. A key aspect of the M1 SoC is the way Apple designed the memory. Its unified memory structure places a single set of RAM on the same surface as the CPU and GPU. In plain terms, it means that the CPU and GPU have faster memory access, which potentially leads to better performance. We'll get to the point. With the new M1 chip, the Mac Mini makes a huge leap in performance and outperforms its weight in price. Good stuff. A thumbs up from here. The next product we'll talk about is the Asus Chromebook 4, the best Chrome mini PC on the market in 2022. When it comes to Chrome OS, you're looking for a very functional but minimalist tool to work with. One of the areas that will always make you happy to use Chrome OS is the automatic updates that keep your device safe. This, together with the fact that Android applications are available in the Play Store within the operating system, makes Chromebook so functional. Because the Chrome OS is so reduced to the basics, you'll get great speed from any device that uses the operating system. On the front of the case, you have a headphone jack, 2 USB-A slots, and a micro SD card reader. On the back, you have a power port, a Kensington lock port, Ethernet, a pair of HDMI slots, 2 USB-A ports, and a USB-C port for power input, data, and video output. Also, you can connect up to 4 4K monitors to this one, which makes this model a very capable device for everyday use. The unit we're looking at is a Celeron with 4GB of RAM and 32GB of memory. If that doesn't satisfy you, the Asus Chromebook 4 has a wide range of improvements available. All Chromebook variants include a VESA mount, which allows you to attach it to the back of the screen, as well as the necessary power cord. However, there is no internal speaker, keyboard, or mouse in the configuration. You'll need to provide your own sound equipment. Asus was generous with the ports on the Chromebox 4. It has a combined audio microphone and headphone jack on the front, along with 2 USB-A ports and a micro SD card reader. USB 3.2 Gen 1 means fast performance from the ports on the front. The card reader is useful for increasing memory or synchronizing files. Thanks to the multiple configurations available, the Asus Chromebook 4 offers the perfect combination of value and power. You can choose between 4 different processors and opt for the performance and price you need. Thumbs up, that's for sure. For all you epic gamers, we say check out the Intel NUC 11 Enthusiast Kit, the best gaming mini PC available on the market in 2022. If you're looking for a small, modest but surprisingly powerful mini, the Intel NUC 11 Enthusiast Kit may be the best option for you. While not the strongest among competitors, this model strikes well above its size class, walking fine along that thin line of performance quality. In a horizontal position, the body measures 5.7 inches from front to back, 8.75 inches wide, and 1.6 inches high. You can also place it on the included vertical stand, reducing the space on the desktop to almost zero. Intel also offers a fully configured option equipped with the Windows 10 operating system, which comes with NVIDIA RTX 2060 graphics. You have 6 GB of RAM available. As for the parts it comes with, the Intel NUC 11 runs the Intel Core i7, an 11th generation quad-core CPU with a maximum speed of 4.7 GHz. Most NUC customers are unlikely to need more cores than this, as this category of computer is generally reserved for displaying content rather than creating it. As a professional and enthusiast system, the Intel NUC 11 comes with a host of connectivity options, including 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, headphones and optical audio ports, micro SD slot, RJ45 Ethernet port, mini display port, 1 HDMI output port, 3 front USB ports, and 5 rear USB 3 ports. The device works pretty well for its size, has enough graphics performance to comfortably push through more demanding games. If you're strictly looking for something that can play older AAA titles over 60 frames per second at 1440p, or serve as a reliable multiplayer machine that could easily stay hidden with the right kind of editing equipment, well done, because with this model, you'll get a premium. For all you business people, we especially highlight Lenovo ThinkCentre M70q Gen 2, also known as the best business mini PC available on the market in 2022. Lenovo clearly puts convenience ahead of looks. This has the advantage that the M70q can be opened without tools, among other things, to upgrade the SSD and RAM. The option we're analyzing comes with 8 GB of RAM, which is enough to run most programs providing the expected efficiency. Also, there's a 256 GB SSD which contributes to all your running programs remaining active, and the PC will continue with suspensions in a few seconds. All this combined is more than enough for today's everyday life in the office. Even if you use Photoshop or edit video, the M70q is top-notch. When it comes to connections, the M70q offers all sorts of them. Almost too much to choose from. On the front, there's a headphone jack, USB 3.2 Gen 2, and USB-C 3.2 Gen 1. On the back, Lenovo comes with almost everything you might need in a modern office desktop. 2 USB 2.2 Gen 1, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2, 1 HDMI 2.0, 1 DisplayPort, 1 Ethernet, 2 USB 2.0, and 1 VGA and serial ports. A decent choice that tries to balance between the office present and the past. When it comes to connectivity, the M70q naturally offers built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Bluetooth 5.1 is not exactly the latest standard, but it is perfectly adequate for wireless headphones, keyboard, and mouse. Next, what Lenovo always emphasizes with its ThinkCentre computers is security. Of course, the M70q is no exception and is equipped with a variety of security features, both software and hardware. So it comes with a Lenovo ThinkShield security solution as well as a Kensington lock. In conclusion, Lenovo did a really good job with the M70q. The compact case certainly does not attract attention, but in terms of performance, it perfectly covers everyday life in the office in 2022. Thanks to a great performance, top value for money, as well as many satisfied users, we come to the conclusion that the Intel NUC 9 Pro Kit is the best overall mini PC in 2022. Intel has launched the NUC 9 Pro as a desktop mini computer with workstation computing performance, which not only puts the Xeon series processors in NUC design, but can also be equipped with a discrete short format graphics card, creating a smaller size and high performance desktop workstation. To simplify, the biggest difference between this Intel NUC 9 Pro and the traditional NUC is the processor chip and graphics display it uses, as well as the new modular design. Currently, the NUC 9 Pro Kit offers 2 versions of the specification, with 8 or 6 cores. Unlike previous NUC products, they all use U-series notebook processors. Another main feature of this Mini is its ability to support desktop graphics cards. It has a PCIe slot in the hull, which can install an independent graphics card. The modular element in the NUC 9 Pro Kit is the main core of this product. Its shape is similar to the appearance of a discrete graphics card. The processor is packaged in BGA, and the motherboard cannot be replaced. 2 SO-DIMM memory slots are provided on top, and the memory can support 8 GB of RAM. As for the ports, you don't have to worry, because you're secured there too. There are 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports, 4 USB 3.1 ports, HDMI 2.0A port, SDXC card slot, as well as 2 Intel Gigabit LAN ports. In our opinion, this is more than enough for most users. If you want to build a truly compact workstation that'll provide you with high performance, the Intel NUC 9 Pro Kit is ideal for that. Also, you'll enjoy a great viewing experience with stunning images without the need to add a graphics card. Overall, this product delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the best mini PCs of 2022. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest videos.